The Court of Appeal has upheld the convictions of dancehall entertainer Vybz Kartel, Sean Campbell, Kahira Jones and Andre St. John for the 2011 murder of Clive Lizard Williams. The decision was handed down this morning. Kartel, whose given name is Adidja Palmer, and his co-accused were convicted in 2014. The attorney for Adidja, Vybz Kartel Palmer, Valerie Nita Robertson, says she's disappointed at the court's decision to dismiss his appeal.
Two families are mourning over the same sad situation, where a body gone missing and a gifted man a face conviction. Two mothers want justice in the same situation. So all me can offer both families is just my compassion. It come out in the newspaper, so the teacher lose him appeal. And of course the fans them take to social media to express how them really feel. And one such expression say, Lizard was a bad man anyway. Yet, when me look into it deeply, our two lives just waste away. Some say you can't call yourself God and exalt upon the real world boss cause him will make you a base. That a for them theory why the Vybz are struggling with the case. Another set us say the system a fight the artist with pure conspiracy. Cause if you charge him for murder then where's the dead body? But why so much artists are go prison? It's like a direct ambition. Because some long walk to freedom keep what they is like everybody have a money pull up plan. It look like nobody never hearing the bantan says not an easy road. We need somebody to guide the youths them so them not end up prison proud. We need more artists like the poor people governor who own the mistakes of his past, forget the man them for behave better. He spoke out on the issue of domestic violence. So other men could start reviewing their conscience. We salute you for that, Rodney. You have certainly paid the price. If other artists could have followed that trend, it would certainly be nice. As an artist, whether or not you like it, you have a responsibility to the public. They will appoint you as a role model if them see greatness in you. And even though it might sometimes seem unfair, you still have to know what you do. If you say F education, they will listen to you. And if you say gratitude is a must, they'll believe in that too. Anyway, we can't rejoice over nobody downfall. We only have to hope and pray. Zandrama don't know how to keep court, so make the good Lord have him way. He is the author and the finisher. Him will work it out. For nowadays, if you want to keep your life, best to keep your rotted mouth. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube at Zandrama!